Nigeria, yes, congratulations to me. I just bought a private jet worthly $35 billion. When I join me celebrate them. Very soon it will be landing Nigeria for its use. Yes, congratulations to me. I just bought a private jet worthly $35 billion. Yes. So my supporters, I want my fans. I want to tell you, I want to tell they support me, and I also want to tell you, I want to support me with fuel money and kerosene money and oil money and diesel money and gas money. When we go take fuel, the private jet as in the land, Edo State, Benin City Airport for its use. I beg. Once again, congratulations to me, MC Kelly9, the consultant expert, just bought a private jet worthly $35 billion. Bad, that's good. No, bad.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zabu, zabu, anybody.
Congratulations to me! Just bought a private jet. Yes, the first comedian, the first kingmaker, the first content creator to buy a private jet worthly $35 billion. This MC Kelly9 is a consultant expert, the Ologuru one of Edo State, the Obogese of Delta State, and the Ologuru one of Africa.